If you're ready to ditch your membrane keyboard and quickly become the coolest member of your office, you're ready for one of the best mechanical keyboards. Besides garnering you a solid amount of PC street cred, mechanical keyboards are more versatile and robust than their membrane counterparts. With mechanical keyboards, you get a far more personalized and customizable experience. Everything from your keycaps to what kind of switches you want, it can be tailored to your exact specifications. In this video, we will review the 6 best mechanical keyboards that you can get your hands on this year. Roll down to the link in the description down below to know more information and latest price update. Thanks, let's get started with the video. Number 6. The best budget is the Redragon K561. This affordable mechanical keyboard from Redragon comes with 87 extra responsive keys, each controlled by an independent switch, which allows multiple keys to be used simultaneously. This helps you improve your speed and accuracy when gaming or typing. Concave keytops conform to the natural curves of your fingertips for a comfortable computing experience. This sturdy keyboard is made from ABS and metal with a modern matte finish texture and is waterproof, so you don't have to stress about small spills. With 18 different backlit modes and 6 themed backlights, you can customize your keyboard's look and adjust its brightness to suit your style. Number 5. The best easiest to use is the HAVIT RGB backlit. Ready to make the switch to a mechanical keyboard? Simply plug and play with the HAVIT RGB mechanical keyboard, no drivers needed. The gold-plated USB interface guarantees efficient and stable data transmission between your keyboard and PC, so you won't miss a keystroke. This keyboard comes with easy-to-reach multimedia keys and a metal base with a wrist rest that could promote better typing postures and provide more comfort to you as you work or play. Want to add a little fun to your gaming experience? This keyboard also comes with 9 backlight preset modes: Always On mode, Single Color Breathing mode, Pro Gamer mode, 7 Color Breathing mode, On-Click Lighting mode, Single Color or Mix Flowing mode, Running Back and Forth mode, as well as Ripple Spreading mode. Number 4. The best most stylish is the Aukey RGB. This beautiful backlit mechanical keyboard has serious style. The edgeless case and brushed aluminum panel have a minimalist sensibility, but with 9 preset LED lighting effects, 5 editable game lighting combinations, and 7 color options for each key, this keyboard knows how to get flashy too. Featuring Aukey blue switches, all 104 durable keys have individual mechanisms that click when you push them, provide full end key rollover, and are optimized for anti-ghosting for improved performance and accuracy. The only downside: if you make a typo, you can no longer blame it on your keyboard. Number 3. The best for gamers is the ET Robot. Are you ready to raid? Don't let your keyboard let you down. Try a mechanical keyboard specifically made for gamers such as this ET Robot mechanical gaming keyboard. The 104 anti-ghosting keys allow multiple keys to work at the same time even when you're typing at full speed, ensuring that you get the best response for your mission-critical double and triple taps. This keyboard was tested by professional gamers to make sure every detail was in place, such as the ergonomic keycaps, durable full metal keyboard, and 21 different red LED light effects. This keyboard also comes with a 3-year warranty, so you can feel comfortable making this purchase. Number 2. The best value is the Happy Hacking. If you want only the best mechanical keyboard, the Happy Hacking Professional 2 is a great choice. This nondescript keyboard with its matte dark gray finish uses topper switches, known throughout the industry for their sound, feel, and high-quality performance. Though these switches lack a loud audible click, they still have an improved tactile feel and heavier push than dome or membrane keyboards, making them a great choice if you prefer to remain silent but want the performance benefits of a mechanical keyboard. The keycaps are made from a high-quality plastic that resists wear and tear, so you can count on this keyboard for top performance for years to come. Number 1. The best overall is the Logitech K840. Our choice for best overall checks a lot of boxes. It's affordable, well-designed, durable, and super versatile. If you're looking for a moderately priced mechanical keyboard that feels great and isn't too noisy, the Logitech K840 is a professional-looking full-sized keyboard with specially engineered switches that give you the quiet, comfortable touch you want. The K840 is a corded USB keyboard with the perfect balance of comfort and toughness. The solid aluminum top case can withstand heavy use, and each key is tested to over 70 million strokes. The keys are built with Logitech's Roamer G mechanical switches that offer a high level of responsiveness without excessive noise. Instead, they give you just the right amount of tactile feedback and travel with 26-key rollover to ensure accuracy. The keyboard size and built-in tilt legs could reduce fatigue even during long typing sessions. Download the Logitech Options software and you can customize the F1 or F14 key shortcuts. There are also media keys built right in for extra convenience. To take advantage of all the features, you need a computer running Windows 7, 8, 10, or later. While the Logitech K840 isn't a designated gaming keyboard, it makes a great starter gaming keyboard for someone who wants something a little more multipurpose for their PC.